Good day. My name is Luis Moderiano. I graduated 3-year HRM.
How many years? Hotel and restaurant
restaurant manager.
management.
Management.
2 years.
2 years.
Okay. How about your working experiences?
I work in Pasig City
As a,
as a live-in caregiver.
for how long?
1 year and 2 months.
Tell us about your work there or your duties.
I have one.
How many person you are serving?
Three person, one child,
Okay.
5 years old.
So you mean to say that you are all around house worker?
Yes, ma'am.
Your main duty is to take care of the 1-year-old child.
5-year-old child.
5-year-old. So you serve 3 person, mom,
Yes.
sir, and a 5-year-old boy or girl?
Boy.
Okay. So tell us about your duties inside the house. Since you wake up in the morning,
I sweep the floors. Take care of the baby.
what else?
Go to school.
Send him to school, also you teach. How about cooking? You also do cooking, do marketing.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
mean to say all the work.
Yes, ma'am.
But of course the priority is the child. Okay. So what make you decide to work in Hong Kong? You can find job in the Philippines. Why in Hong Kong?
You have money.
Salary is higher there. Okay.
Than here.
Okay, so what can you do best as a householder? What housework you can do best? Which do you like to do best? Cooking, cleaning, or caring children?
Cleaning.
Cleaning. Okay. If there's a there is a child or children to take care, how old do you prefer?
2 years old about.
2 years old and above. So now, are you working or not? Anytime you are free, you're ready to go? Okay, what can you promise to the employer if they will hire you?
Sir, I'll be a good employee.
Uh, what can you promise to them?
I promise to my future employer finish my 2-year contract the best I can. Thank you.